Need to switch mobile providers but keep your number? You'll need a PAC, porting authorization code, from Plusnet. It's a 9 to 12-digit code that allows you to transfer your number. As of October 2025, Plusnet primarily uses a digital-first approach. The easiest way to get your PAC is through the Plusnet My Account Portal at plusnet.com/myaccount. Log in, navigate to the Mobile or Services section, and select Port My Number or Request PAC Code. You'll likely need to verify your identity. After verification, expect to receive your PAC via email or in-app notification within 24 to 48 hours. Remember, the PAC is valid for 30 days. If you have trouble with the online portal, Plusnet offers support via phone and live chat. Call them at 0808-178-5959, free from UK mobiles, or use the live chat feature on their website. Be prepared to verify your identity with account details and security information. They'll send the PAC via SMS or email. Ensure you have an active Plusnet account with no outstanding bills. Plusnet doesn't charge for PAC requests. PAC codes are single-use. Requesting too many can flag your account. If your PAC expires, simply request a new one. Once you have your PAC, give it to your new provider, and they'll handle the number transfer, which usually takes 1 to 2 days. With digital porting now common, expect a quick and efficient process.